Corriendo unos KBD para vender. ¿Estás seguro que quiere cortarle el primer golpe? Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another vlog. And we was taking out the evaporator, like I said I was gonna do on the past vlog. And we found out what was the problem. And if you see on the line, you see those little pebbles? Those little pebbles are actually, let me see if I landed. These little pebbles are actually on metal. I don't know where that shit came out from. Probably it was from the last compressor, that it was totally fucked up, and maybe it was leaking or it broke. I don't really know the reason of why this shit has like metal pebbles, but that's what actually happened. That just clogged up the evaporator, and as probably all this shit is probably clogged up. So we found the issue. And another thing, this was a little bit loose, so that was probably the one reason, because I lost the refrigerant. And second reason why it was turning on and turning off, it was because this shit was clogged up. So for sure we gotta change the evaporator. So I got a little mess, but evaporator is off, and I'm probably gonna take the fan this off just because I want to clean it up and all that stuff. But it was not too complicated to take everything apart and all that. So if you're changing an evaporator, it's probably not too bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not, it's not like a whole difficult thing to do. So we got this out. We're actually still waiting on eBay to ship it from Florida. And after that thing gets here, we're gonna install new evaporator, new panel, and the little dryer over here. Yo, gang, it's been a couple days. The new evaporator is here, so that means that we got almost everything to install to the Mirage, but we still waiting on the AC panel, this on the front, that I actually ordered new as well, to install the whole system. Basically I bought the whole system of the AC new, so the car is gonna have new 2025, like a 2025 car AC, bro. That shit is gonna blow AC code. So we're still waiting on the condenser, but meanwhile, like I said, I don't want to leave the channel without content. We're gonna lower the homie's car probably like an inch or two. We're gonna be doing Ratchet stuff. So we're gonna pull up into the homie's crib, and I'll be back when we get to the crib. Yo, today the air of the is hella dusty. Like you can notice, it's like dusty. Car hitting as always. Shit. Yo, we got to the homie's crib. He's currently working on the Miata. Da chicharra ahí, cabrón.
Te pa'l carajo.
Yo, I forgot to start recording when we started, but homie wanna lower the car, basically cutting the springs. I really don't recommend doing that, But since he want to do it, we're gonna help him and get the car dialed. ¿Estás seguro que quiere cortarle el sprint, gordo?
Ya se firmó contrato.
¿Qué tienes que decir, Mikey?
Que no hay vuelta atrás una vez que pique. Se cagó la.
You already know, bro. No going back down after this. But he gonna get coiled soon, so he like, you know what I'm saying?
Va a hacerme mover de aquí también. Diablo.
Cállate la boca.
Pero no piques aquí.
No going back.
Moverme de aquí, cabrón.
Ay,
¿Qué?
no going back.
No going back.
To the camera.
Dirty and shit.
Si tú le das el carro a este loco, este pique está loco.
No going back.
Aquí estaba esto, ¿verdad? Aquí está, ¿verdad?
Y lo que él no sabe es que se va a pagar la comida también.
Sheesh! What you gotta say about that?
A little bit lower than a fucking stick.
My nigga gonna be bouncing the shit out of this motherfucker right now. It doesn't look bad, to be honest. Mi pana era conmigo piso.
Ya, me duele la espalda y este carro grabando.
Posición fetal, cabrón.
Hay moto,
Yo, gang, so we had a big inconvenience with the car of the homie. Apparently, the previous owner, I don't know how the fuck they managed to. The knuckle was kind of bent, and they actually they used the bolt. I don't even know how to fucking explain it, bro. The knuckle, it was bent and it was not aligning. Everything was not aligning like it's supposed to. So the first side, we got that shit done like in 30 minutes, bro. It's like almost 12 o'clock a.m. and we was still working on that side. So we got to the conclusion, we got to the conclusion that we need to buy a new knuckle. So we was bringing the homie 1 hour away from the crib. Now we're driving back. If you see me and I'm a little dirty, don't mind. But yeah, things that be happening on this car stuff, bro. So we're on our way to the crib, and tomorrow I gotta wake up like at 5:30 a.m. Cause the daily is still on operation. So I gotta use my brother's car. So I gotta use this car tomorrow to pick up the homie again and buy the new knuckle and try to finish the car. So yes, sir. Yo, gang, it's the next day and we just got off a junkyard and we found the part that we needed. Basically, this is what happened. We needed this part because this part, if you see, is on the right angle. This side, I mean, this knuckle is all bent and you can notice that it's not, bro, this shit is way off. So this is the part we needed. They had the whole strut, so we actually bought the whole strut. So we lit. Oh, we're actually on the Corolla as well. Yo, we buying the bolt we need because this is stripped. So you already know. Yeah. Yo, gang, we got to the crib. I just took a shower because, bro, it's hella hot and I was sweating balls working on the car. The homie's car is officially done. I'm gonna slide a couple B-rolls and I'm gonna jump back into the evaporator that just got here. So let's drop those B-rolls. Another thing before sliding the B-rolls, we didn't finish the car on the rears because we had the whole problem with the Knuckle. Yesterday the homie couldn't go to work because that's his daily, so we finished working on the fronts, and next week probably we're gonna work on the rears. So that's it. Get it. Yo, you saw those B-rolls. Fronts are officially dialed. It's a little jumpy because we was just cutting the springs, but he's probably gonna get coilovers real soon. So this is the first day, the first step to start on the static scene. You know what I'm saying? Experimenting, learning how to drive it and all that. So he's just a starter. So that's a little good start on it. Yo, so y'all remember on the past vlog, we was waiting on the evaporator. Evaporator just got here. Yeah, I'm gonna open this shit real quick right here. Let me. Let's see. No, hella nice packing though. Oh, this shit. A box inside of a box. Oh shit. This shit looks so good. New evaporator is officially here. This shit nice, bro. So we got the evaporator. Now we just waiting on the condenser, and we officially gonna put everything on the car, the whole new AC system on the Mirage. That we're gonna wash this car in a little bit, but let me explain what is going on behind the scenes with my daily and all that. So the daily, I was using it like a couple days ago, and like a month ago it was starting to, the steering rack, it was clunky, a little clunky, but it was nothing like major, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, yo, I'm not gonna, do nothing yet because the car is driving. So a couple days ago I was driving to the crib and I was turning, and the steering wheel kind of jumped. I don't know what the fuck happened, but that shit jumped and the steering wheel was hella crook. The whole car was on the line, bro. It was a whole mess. So I got to the crib because it was not like a something that you couldn't get to the crib. It was just the car was the, I don't even know how to explain it, bro, because that shit has like a little, when the connection with the drive shaft on the steering wheel with the rack and pinion, that shit has like little teeth. So I think that shit skipped and the car was a whole on the line. That shit was shaking, so I took the whole frame. I had to take the whole frame of the XB down to actually take the wreck and painting off. So that's basically what I've been doing these couple days. Car, I gotta turn the car on. I gotta wash this hole because it's hella dirty. But we're lit, bro. Working on both projects at the same time. So before ending this vlog, I'm gonna go eat something and I'm gonna come back because I gotta wash the car. We're gonna wash the car. You guys are gonna wash the car with me. And I gotta turn on the car. It's been a couple days that I don't turn on the car because I was working on the daily. But we're gonna turn the car on. We're gonna wash it. We gotta polish them lips because in a couple days, bro, we are gonna register the car and we're gonna be outside. So this is the month. This is the big month. That's why I'm prepping the car with AC and all that, because this heat, bro, no, hella no. I just hopped on the car, a little fresh start here. Turn. There we go. There we go. Yo, it's been like 2 weeks since I don't start the car, so. Yo, this shit for sure needs a wash, bro. These days been a little dusty, and you can notice all the pollen and the dust on the car. Literally, bro. All that. What the fuck is this? Some birds broke their asses, bro. What the fuck going on? This shit big ass splatter. But even though it's dirty, them flakes hitting, bruh. Dancing. Alright, let's quick wash this thing. I'm just gonna do a little wipeout because it's hella dirty. Like I said, you can literally draw on this shit. So and when that shit, bro, I gotta clean that shit, bro. That shit is massive. Sheesh. And the daily, I'm just waiting on the rack to get here. And as soon as I get that rack and pinion, we're gonna install it and daily's gonna be outside again. But in a couple days, I'm gonna register this thing. So maybe I'm gonna use this thing until the rack of the daily gets here. So deep mobs. this shit needed a wash. Nah, bro. Yes, sir. We got rid of the motherfucking splatter. Let me towel this motherfucker real quick. Gotta get this dry. God damn it. Car is all washed up. Bro, this looks so insane in person. The flakes that I don't even... Yo, so we're finished with the little wash. I still gotta polish this thing, and I'm not putting the cover on because that plastic cover, I'm starting to see like little minor scratches. I know that everything is gonna go off with the polish, but I don't wanna do, you know, have the same problem again using the cover. So I'm about to buy like a leather cover, and then I'm gonna put that thing on top because I don't want to mess up the paint. But this shit looks so good clean. Yo gang, so before ending this vlog, bro, this vlog was hella nice, working on the cars with the homies, hella things happening, but that's part of the car life, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls before ending the vlog of my car, because I know you guys love the color and lightning is hitting, so yes sir. Yo gang, this vlog is gonna end up right here. Thank you so much for watching if you've made it to the end of the video. And man, I'm so happy that I'm working on both cars at the same time. Rack and pinion is a little bit, a couple more stuff that I'm gonna change in maintenance on the daily. The Mirage, we're about to put the whole AC system, and we're about to register the car, so we're gonna be outside next week. I think next week around June 20 we're gonna be outside already, so everything is getting done, you know what I'm saying? And I'm lacking a little bit of content. It's been like 7 days since I don't post, but this is a nice vlog and explanation of what I've been doing behind the scenes in the blog. So here it is. both cars, working on both cars. You already know. Yo, cars super. Nah, bro. Yo, so nothing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, turn post notifications on, bro, because I know a lot of people be asking me when you're gonna drop, you're gonna drop a vlog. Turn post notifications on, and you're gonna be up to date on everything I upload. So yeah, subscribe, share the video, and see you in the next one. Peace.